Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you quickly and easily how to add a signature to Gmail. So firstly, just type in Gmail login and make sure to log in into your Gmail account, so Google Mail account. After that, you'll be dropped into it and then just click on the gear icon right over here, right next to the upgrade button to bring up the settings. And then under quick settings, make sure to click on see all settings. In here, you just need to scroll all the way down, just like me, almost all the way down. And as you can see, we have the signature here, appended at the end of all outgoing messages. Great. So as you can see, the signature can be created by pressing on this button here. Press on create new, then input the name of the signature, for example, test, create. And in here, you can draw or you can upload your signature by a file. As you can see, create a new, upload an image, you can insert it in here, you can also insert a link. So in any way you wish to do that, you can. And in here, you can set up and customize your signature easily. Enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to help me out with a like and a subscription. If you've got any questions or feedback, leave a comment, and thank you for watching.